otherwise uh, extincted already. Next, endangered species. Another one, nearly threatened. Uh, Species got extinct in wild means they lost in wild itself. Wild means their natural habitat. Another one, regionally extincted species. They extincted in regional wise. That's why called regionally extincted species. Next, endangered species. Endangered means species number drastically reduced. So, at least care must be taken to conserve remaining number of species. Another one, vulnerable. Vulnerable category means they are vulnerable to climate change or global warming. So that most care must be taken to conserve remaining number of species. Third category, nearly threatened species. Nearly threatened species. It means threatened species means they are in species are in good number, but care must be taken. If you take proper care, more number of species can be conserved. And another one, least concern. It means concern is at the level of minimum. Okay, they are in good number, at least care must be taken. Okay, for your information, there are 44,000 of species threatened with extinction. 44,000 of species threatened with extinction. It means only 28% of species got data. So lot more data need to be added to red data book. These species included mammals, reptiles, conifers, some types of birds, etc. Okay, so to conserve biodiversity, we need to have strategies, not conserving methods. Strategies. They are in situ conservation strategy and then ex situ conservation strategy. In situ conservation is self-explanatory. Self-explanatory. It means species are conserved at their natural habitat only, at their local level only. For example, national parks. And another example is biosphere reserves. This comes under in situ conservation strategies. Next one, ex situ conservation. It means they are conserved out of their natural habitat. It means they are conserved in captive breeding. For example, botanical garden. Species are conserved out of their natural habitat. Next one, seed bank, preserving seeds. And another one, gene banks. Species are conserved at their genetic level. These are gene banks. Okay, for now I am concluding my chapter. Today I have covered what is biodiversity. Organizations comes under biodiversity conservation, methods of biodiversity conservation strategies. Okay, all the best.